Welcome back to Nitish's Talks. We are back with another unboxing. So let's go for the Halloween surprise unboxing. And it's my grandpa's birthday today, November 1st. It's a pretty special day, so let's start unboxing. So let's start with the first toy that I got today. So these kind of toys I have a lot, but this one I can't stop buying because it's very special for me. So it is none other than this. I am inspired. From this brand I have lots of toys. For example, there was a toy right here which is just like this. The same but the head was different. It was the Peter face head. So let's unbox this, and there's Mayfix inspired right here and nothing much different in the sides and nothing much special. So let's unbox. Oops. Where are my scissors? I think I lost my scissors again. I had it in my hands and make a video without this. Ugh. These stupid things. There you go. Got it. Gotcha. The new, brand new, brand new Inspire, and this one is from the universe. I mean the Phase 4 part, Phase 3, Phase 4. I don't remember. I forgot the entire Infinity Saga. It has been a long time since I visited the Marvel universe, so I don't remember much. I have to recall everything. So this guy is from the entire Infinity Saga, the final inspired from this brand, I think, if I'm correct. So he looks pretty cool. Nothing much different, but the smoothness feels a bit different, and the same twisting legs, the same twisting hands, the same head, which you can even take it off, like I said. Which is pretty cool. And then the same sound effects. I hear something else. Can you hear it? I hear something else. That's kind of creepy. So since the battery is not working much, I couldn't hear anything much well. So I should put a proper battery for him. So it's kind of cool, and I like the painting. It's much different. He looks so classy, so classic. Oh, and finally we forgot this. This hasn't come through any of these brands editions. These iron spiral legs. Okay, let's fix it for the iron spiral, for the classic look. And I had once like this from the old version, the Infinity War version, which was released in 2018. And it's 2025, November 1st. Time flies. Alright, so here you go. The OG Inspire with that classical look, which is supposed to be modern look, but it's classical. It looks cool and thankful to have an Inspire back with the spider tentacles. I mean the Inspire legs. I should mend it. So there you go, the classical Inspire is here. So I can play with this guy for a while, and I'll build this one too. I can have a lot of iron bar in my house. So let's move on to the next thing. So we have been collecting these stuff for like few months ago. I have been collecting these things, and after that I just completely forgot about this collection, and we are back with it. Before we go to that collection, I have small unboxing to do. We have like few 1 week ago I brought this amazing marble pens, and I brought this amazing dinosaur key tag also. I brought lots of stuff here to do this, and I brought this small action figure too. I saw a Black Panther as well, just like this with this sword, and this is Ant-Man, I think. I do have the Black Panther. It's right over there in the shelf. So let's unbox this Ant-Man. Gotcha. So there you go, the classical Ant-Man action figure. So if y'all see him, the painting looks pretty cool. Not that much accurate, but from back he seems like Batman without a cape. And in front, a red painting is missing here, but it's fine. And you can move his hands like this, you can move this part like this. You can twist his head in 360 degree. You can move his leg in 100 and almost 95 degrees or something, and you can bend his knees, and he has some lights effects, and he especially comes with a sword where Ant-Man don't have a sword. So let's fix the sword. And the sword doesn't even go inside his hand. Just kind of cheeky. Oh my god, come on. Oh! And the sword is like, there's, what do you call it, not much hard. There you go. So Ant-Man is with the sword, and now he can cut all his villains, and now he can kill everyone. So he looks pretty cool too. Let's keep him with the Iron Spider. And let's move on to that special collection I was talking about. I was talking about the collection that I started few months ago, and which I ended from that point, and we have started again. The Funko Pop collection. Yes, I have brought the new Funko Pops. This one I don't think it's new, but this one is pretty new. It's the Hulk, venomized Hulk, right here, and it's Thanos from the Infinity War. Alright, it's time to unbox him. Let's start with Thanos. This. I do have another Thanos from this in-game one, and this from this Infinity War Funko Pop. Ooh, squishy hair. Thanos with the Infinity Gauntlet in his hand. Looks pretty cool. This Funko Pop. And you can twist its hair and move it up and down because it's smooth material. And this Infinity War Thanos looks pretty cool. I can't lie to y'all. I like it. Yes, 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 yes. He's pretty cool. So let's keep him here in my collection set of Halloween. And the venomized Hulk. To talk about this, there's not much in these collections. This was a special one. So let's go to the venomized Hulk. So this is most of the Marvel fans' dream for Venom to get on Hulk. There you go. My first ever. A long time ago I brought these Hulk toys. I never brought any Hulk toys after that. And he looks pretty cool. You can see that Venom tongue and that Venom's face, that Venom hands and that Venom symbol, which is pretty sick. And that soft head and that massive hair, which I'm in love with. It looks very, very awesome. Fantastic. I love it. So let me keep him here as well. So we have completed the collection of the day. So alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll see you in another fantastic video. Goodbye.